Want to turn back the clock and keep your body and mind feeling young? Science proves that yoga can slow aging, boost flexibility, improve circulation, and even reduce wrinkles. But not just any yoga. These 7 powerful anti-aging poses will enhance your skin's glow, strengthen your joints, and keep your mind sharp. Stick with me until the end because I have a special bonus tip that will supercharge your results. Let's get started. Pose 1. Downward Dog. This classic pose increases blood circulation to your face, bringing more oxygen to your skin and giving you that natural glow. It also strengthens your arms and legs, keeping your body youthful and energized. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Pose 2. Cobra Pose. This back bend is amazing for reducing stiffness in the spine and improving posture. A flexible spine equals a younger you. Plus, it opens up the chest and promotes deep breathing, which is key to reducing stress-induced wrinkles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat twice. Pose 3. Face Yoga, Lion's Breath. Ever heard of face yoga? It's like a natural facelift. The Lion's Breath pose tones your facial muscles, reduces sagging, and releases tension. It also strengthens your vocal cords, keeping your voice youthful. Do this 5 times with deep exhalations. Pose 4. Warrior 2. This powerful stance builds stamina, improves balance, and strengthens your legs and core. A strong foundation keeps you feeling young and resilient because aging isn't just about the face, it's about total body strength. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. Pose 5. Shoulder Stand, the ultimate anti-aging pose. This is a game changer. Inversions like shoulder stand improve blood flow to the brain and face, reducing wrinkles, preventing hair loss, and enhancing skin elasticity. It also balances your hormones, your natural fountain of youth. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds or modify with legs against the wall. Pose 6. Seated Twist. A twisted spine is a detoxed spine. Twists flush out toxins, aid digestion, and support liver function, all essential for glowing skin, which plays a major role in aging. Hold for 20 seconds on each side. Pose 7. Child's Pose, the anti-stress reset. Aging isn't just about wrinkles, it's also about stress and tension. Child's Pose calms your nervous system and promotes deep relaxation, which helps your body heal and regenerate. Hold for 1 minute, focusing on slow, deep breathing. Here's your bonus anti-aging secret: pranayama, breathwork. Studies show that deep, controlled breathing reduces oxidative stress, keeps your cells youthful, and even extends lifespan. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing daily and see the difference. Want to stay youthful, strong, and radiant? Make these 7 yoga poses part of your daily routine. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more wellness content, and comment below. Which pose was your favorite? See you in the next video.